Hey, what's up, Bike Culture Hub family? Welcome back to the channel, where we live and breathe motorcycles and chase that never-ending road of two-wheel freedom. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because today we're diving into a machine that could seriously shake up the mid-weight adventure segment in a big way. This is the all-new 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650, a motorcycle that takes the legendary Africa Twin DNA and reimagines it in a lighter, more approachable, and more versatile adventure package. If you've always admired the Africa Twin from a distance but thought it was a bit too big, too heavy, or too expensive for everyday use, this bike might just be the answer you've been waiting for. The Africa Twin name carries massive respect in the adventure riding world. It's a badge associated with Dakar heritage, bulletproof reliability, and true go-anywhere capability. Honda clearly understood the responsibility that comes with this name, and with the 2026 Africa Twin 650, they haven't taken shortcuts. This bike sits below the Africa Twin 1100 in the lineup, but it doesn't feel like a stripped-down or compromised machine. Instead, it feels purpose-built for riders who want genuine adventurability without the bulk and intimidation factor of a full-size ADV monster. Whether you're a weekend trail explorer, a daily commuter who dreams of dirt roads, or a long-distance tourer who occasionally ventures off the pavement, this bike feels like it was designed specifically with you in mind. At the heart of the Africa Twin 650 is a newly developed parallel twin engine hovering around the 650 cubic centimeters mark. Honda has clearly focused on usability rather than chasing headline horsepower figures. This engine is tuned to deliver strong low and mid-range torque, which is exactly what adventure riders want. Throttle response is smooth and predictable, making the bike incredibly confidence-inspiring, especially on loose surfaces like gravel, sand, or uneven mountain trails. Instead of feeling aggressive or nervous, the engine works with the rider, helping you maintain control and momentum in challenging conditions. It's the kind of power plant that reduces fatigue on long rides and makes technical riding feel less stressful and more enjoyable. Out on the highway, the Africa Twin 650 feels calm, composed, and surprisingly refined. Cruising at speed is effortless, with minimal vibration reaching the handlebars or foot pegs. Honda's reputation for engine smoothness really shines here, making this bike a strong contender for long-distance touring. Wind protection is well balanced, offering relief from fatigue without creating excessive buffeting around the helmet. At the same time, the gearing keeps the bike lively enough for urban riding and twisty back roads, making it equally at home filtering through traffic or carving through mountain passes. This dual personality, relaxed tourer and agile everyday machine, is one of the Africa Twin 650's greatest strengths. When the pavement ends, the Africa Twin 650 truly starts to show its character. Thanks to its lighter overall weight and long travel suspension, the bike feels agile and confidence-boosting off-road. Honda has carefully tuned the suspension to soak up rough terrain, without feeling vague or overly soft on tarmac. Standing on the pegs feels natural, and the bike responds predictably to rider inputs. Generous ground clearance allows you to clear rocks, ruts, and obstacles without constantly worrying about scraping the underside. Whether you're tackling dirt trails, fire roads, or broken rural paths, the Africa Twin 650 feels ready for the challenge. Braking performance is strong and reassuring. The dual-disc front setup delivers excellent stopping power with good feedback at the lever, while the rear disc provides precise control when modulating speed off-road. ABS comes standard, and crucially for adventure riders, it's expected to be adjustable or switchable for off-road use. That means more control in dirt and gravel while still maintaining safety and confidence on paved roads. It's a practical, rider-focused setup that proves Honda understands how real adventure bikes are actually ridden. Technology on the 2026 Africa Twin 650 is modern but not overwhelming. A full-color TFT display sits front and center, offering clear visibility in bright sunlight and low-light conditions alike. The layout is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate even while wearing gloves. Multiple riding modes are expected, including street, rain, gravel, and off-road, each fine-tuning throttle response, traction control, and ABS behavior. Traction control is smartly calibrated, allowing controlled will slip off-road to maintain momentum while keeping everything stable and predictable on asphalt. This balance between rider aids and rider involvement is a major highlight. Visually, the Africa Twin 650 looks unmistakably like part of the Africa Twin family. The design is rugged, purposeful, and adventure-ready from every angle. The rally-inspired front end, tall stance, and signature beak instantly communicate its off-road intentions. LED lighting is used throughout, giving the bike a modern, premium feel while improving nighttime visibility and safety. The windscreen is shaped to reduce fatigue on long rides, and the overall silhouette strikes a perfect balance between aggressive styling and functional design. One of the standout aspects of the Africa Twin 650's design is how slim and manageable it feels. The narrow tank and seat area make it easy to grip the bike with your knees, especially when riding off-road. This also helps shorter riders feel more confident at stops and low speeds. Seat height is expected to be noticeably more approachable than the Africa Twin 1100, opening the door to a much wider range of riders. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seat is well padded, the riding position is upright and natural, and the handlebars fall perfectly to hand, making long days in the saddle far more enjoyable. Fuel capacity is another strong point. The Africa Twin 650 is designed to offer impressive range, allowing riders to travel long distances between fuel stops. This is essential for touring and remote exploration, and when combined with Honda's legendary fuel efficiency and reliability, it gives riders real peace of mind. This is a bike built for journeys, not just short rides. What truly sets the Africa Twin 650 apart is its position in the market. It fills a gap that many riders have been asking for: a true middleweight adventure bike with genuine off-road capability, premium build quality, and global brand backing. This isn't just an adventure-style street bike, it's a machine designed to be ridden hard, trusted in remote places, and enjoyed in a wide variety of riding conditions. Accessibility is another huge selling point. Compared to the Africa Twin 1100, the 650 is lighter, easier to handle, and less intimidating, making it ideal for newer adventure riders. At the same time, experienced riders will appreciate how agile and responsive it feels, especially on technical terrain where lower weight translates directly into greater control and confidence. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 is expected to land in a very competitive range. Globally, estimates place it between $8,500 and $9,500, depending on the market and variant. That pricing positions it as one of the most attractive options in the midweight ADV segment, offering premium features and real adventure credibility at a relatively attainable price point. So who is the Africa Twin 650 for? It's for riders who want one motorcycle that can handle daily commuting, weekend escapes, and long-distance adventures with equal confidence. It's for those who value balance over extremes, not the biggest, not the fastest, but one of the most versatile and capable adventure bikes Honda has ever built. To wrap things up, the 2026 Honda Africa Twin 650 represents a smart, thoughtful evolution of the Africa Twin legacy. It stays true to the spirit of adventure while making that spirit more accessible than ever before. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Africa Twin 650, make sure you smash that like button, share this video with your riding buddies, and subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more detailed motorcycle content just like this. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you choose the Africa Twin 650 over the bigger 1100, or is this the perfect adventure bike for your garage? Until next time, ride safe, ride free, and keep the adventure alive.